you're ever in Thailand, this is one of the trips that you probably want to take. All right, we are on the upper deck. Thank you. We are on. Oh, looks like we even have a nice bar on here too. Quite lovely. We have a nice bar on the top. I kind of want to stay away from the heavy music. Oh, just look at the menu here. It's just a nice buffet. Look at that, an entire buffet. This is what 611. Think I might pass my stuff.